With the dropping cost of photovoltaics, we are seeing systems deployed in location and climates that until a few years ago were considered unviable for photovoltaics, such as high latitude, desert, hot and humid locations. All these new locations are bringing in climate-specific stressors that we have to take into account. So no really universal solution exists right now to address stressors such as the high humidity, the extremely high variation in temperature, or for example, the extremely cold conditions of high latitude, high altitude. And so a climate-specific design is needed to address each location-specific stressors. So we see solutions coming both from the material side as well as the system side that are being proposed or deployed in these different locations. These include, for example, the benefits related with a growing deployment of bifacial modules, which, for example, at high latitude location can benefit of the high albedo of snow. We indeed see over there systems installed, for example, vertically with module facing east-west, that at the same time again benefits of the high albedo of the snow while minimizing the accumulation of snow on the modules. Other solutions are being proposed, investigated and deployed. These include, for example, UV resistant material, humidity resistant materials, or coatings able to reduce the accumulation of soiling or biofilms. We are actually seeing a shift from standard test condition design into designs and selection of components that are optimized for the given climate conditions. These include, for example, the use of thicker glass that might help prevent damage from hailstorms, and as well as the interest in module testing optimized for the different climate conditions. So there is a need for data coming from diverse climatic conditions, and especially from regions that have been typically underrepresented. Most of the data so far have indeed focused on moderate climate conditions, which are not anyway sufficient right now to represent the diversity of climates where photovoltaics is being installed. So we are in need also of additional efforts where multiple sites, for example, are being compared. Initiatives such as PV campers, for example, should be supported and are of extreme value for this effort.